Is Rihanna about to become a mother now that she is happily dating A$AP Rocky? The Umbrella hitmaker sparked rumours that she may be pregnant with her and the rapper's first child together, following her appearance in a ceremony in Barbados. On Monday, November 29th, Rihanna attended a ceremony in Bridgetown where she was declared as a national hero of Barbados. During the special occasion, she wore an orange silk halter-neck dress by Bottega Veneta that she paired with strappy heels and a black face mask. However, what's caught people's attention the most is what happened to be Rihanna's baby bump. On verified Twitter user The Academy also wrote, Rihanna is pregnant with her first child with A$AP Rocky. Both Rihanna and Rocky have yet to address the speculation. However, it's enough to create a debacle on the Bluebird app, with one user noting, men heartbroken everywhere, hearing Rihanna is pregnant. Some others, meanwhile, jumped to the musician's defence. No y'all on this TL believing Rihanna pregnant and a C1 creditable source, one person tweeted, while the different individual argued, every time Rihanna gained £5, you'll say she's pregnant, OMG, relax. Another sarcastically wrote, Rihanna just become the first person to be pregnant for 6 consecutive years. Someone else chimed in, LOL, at Rihanna probably has 5 kids no one knows about by now. Y'all keep saying she's pregnant every year. Being hit with pregnancy rumours was not a new thing for Rihanna. When addressing the speculations, she told Vogue in a 2019 interview, I don't think about stuff like that, but I don't know, God's plan. I look forward to all the pregnancy rumours after this interview. Pregnancy rumours aside, Rihanna is now the second woman in Barbados history to be crowned the honour of national hero after religious leader Sarah Ann Gill, who passed away in 1866. She also one of the 2 living Barbados national heroes, in addition to 85-year-old cricketer Sir Garfield, who was given the title in 1998. Thanks for listening. Please like, comment and subscribe.